COVID cases cross 300 million mark, Omicron tally continues to spike. New registration for precautionary dose of COVID vaccine is not required now, ensures government. Odisha Chief Minister congratulates healthcare personnel as Odisha achieves 3 million milestone in COVID-19 vaccination. India logs 1,41,986 new COVID-19 infections, 285 fatalities. A rapid surge in daily cases causing concern in Odisha, BMC declares 11 more containment zones. Amid rising case, Sri Mandir to remain shut for devotees. State Election Commissioner Aditya Prasad Padhi calls for a meet ahead of Panchayat polls. The number of coronavirus cases confirmed globally has surpassed 300 million mark as the Omicron variant continues to spread rapidly, setting new infection records in several countries. There are 30,29,10,416 number of total cases, and the global death toll stands at 54,78,995 according to Johns Hopkins University's Coronavirus Resource Center's data. There is no need for new registration for those taking the precautionary dose of COVID-19 vaccine, and they can directly take an appointment from Saturday or walk in, the Union Health Ministry informed. From January 10, India will start administering the precautionary dose of the vaccine to healthcare workers, frontline workers, and those above 60 years of age with comorbidities. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik congratulated Odisha for crossing 3 billion vaccination milestone. Taking to Twitter, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik wrote, "Odisha has achieved yet another milestone in COVID-19 vaccination, with more than 3 crore people receiving the first dose. Commend the continued effort and dedication of all our healthcare professionals in ensuring swift immunization to save precious lives. #Odisha Cares." India has recorded 1,41,986 new COVID-19 infections and 285 deaths in the past 24 hours. A total of 3,071 cases of Omicron variant have been detected so far in the country. Maharashtra reported the highest at 876, followed by Delhi 513 and Karnataka 333. Meanwhile, India has administered over 150 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine so far under the ongoing nationwide vaccination drive. Odisha continues to register a huge spike in its single-day COVID-19 tally as 3,679 more persons test positive. Khordha district has recorded the highest with 1,223 COVID-positive cases, followed by Sundargarh with 582, Sambalpur with 372, Cuttack with 310. Meanwhile, the Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation authorities declared 11 more containment zones, including 4 in the North Zone and 7 in the Southeast Zone. With this, the total number of containment zones in the capital city has risen to 33. Amid state witnessing a huge surge in deadly COVID-19 infections, the world-famous Jagannath Temple in heritage city Puri will remain shut for the devotees from January 10 to January 31. The Swargadwara cremation ground in the holy town of Puri has also been closed for outsiders. Due to sudden spike in COVID-19 cases, the State Election Commissioner Aditya Prasad Padhi had called for an important meeting. Chief Secretary Suresh Chandra Mahapatra and Special Relief Commissioner Pradeep Kumar Jaina, along with Additional Chief Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Department Rajkumar Sharma, discussed the COVID-19 situation in the state ahead of Panchayat polls. Keeping an eye on the large outbreak of COVID-19 infections in the state, government is mulling over postponing the elections, although Panchayati Raj Department of the Odisha government has already released the final list of reservations for the post of Zilla Parishad presidents across the state.